This current rental property can continue to be a lucrative investment or would make a great primary residence with rental income from either one of the units. The upper level has 2 bedrooms and 1.5 baths. The large living room and primary bedroom walk out to a maintenance-free, south-facing deck. The bright kitchen has all major appliances and a workstation. The dining room has spacious pantry storage and updated, sunny windows. Both bedrooms have large closets and there is additional storage cabinetry and closets throughout. The upper unit also has an attached double garage. The lower level has 1 bedroom, a full bath, large living room and very spacious kitchen/dining. There is tons of storage space in the laundry/utility room along with additional storage in the attached garage. The lower unit has its own access from the back of the home off of the alley.